Should I write them back? I forgot. I go write some of them back, alright? Alright, so 16 to 20, again, speed run, blitzkrieg. Whichever one you want to call it, blitzkrieg, blitz, speed run. That's what we're doing, alright? So, how fast can I do this? I think I can do this a little bit quicker, and I'll tell you why. The X squared is on this side this time. So, if we can do the more difficult ones, we can do the easier ones, yeah? Alright, let's see how we can get this done. Yeah, let's try that. Now, yield to the temptation. Group the 2s, group the 3s. Alright, so we have a 9. Add that 9 to 7. You'll probably get 16. And then, of course, you're going to screenshot that, right? You should. Alright, then. Now, what do we do with all that? What we're going to put right here. Now that we have that, what we're going to put right here. And now we get to copy and paste that right here. So minus 9x divided by minus 3, you'll get a positive. 3x becoming a 3x. Anyhow, brackets. We'll have this followed by this, and then finally something like this. So we're done with 16. Now for 17. So now for 17, you ever hear them say hard training, easy fight? That's what this is like. We did all the hard training before, and this is an easy fight. Now we already tried 10 and 3, so now we can't use 2 and 5. So let's put 3 and 5 together. We can't put 2 and 3, because 2 and 3, that's going to be 6 and 5. 6 minus 5 is a plus or minus 1, so we're not using that. So we'll have that, and we'll have that, and we'll have that. Now we know the rest of this, don't we? Don't we? Had to be a plus 5, had to be. Yeah? And it protects the signs. Plus 15x, you divide it by plus 5, positive 3x, right? So now we copy and paste this over here. And of course, minus 10 divided by plus 5 is minus 2. So, yeah, let's put that over here. What to do, what to do? Minus 2x divided by minus 2. Well, minus 2 by minus 2 is 1. 1 times x is just x. And we know what to do next. So we have this, followed by this, and finally, we have this. That's the end of 17. Now for 18. And now for 18. I don't know why I did that. Alright, so I'm going to write that a little bigger. So apologies for that. Now, I am tempted to group the 2's together, because then we're going to get 8. And then we add 8 plus that 27. And we'll get 35. Now let's summarize. Alright, we're coming closer to the end now. So let's see. We're not wasting time. That have to be plus 5. Double check it. Multiply this by that to get this. Multiply this by that to get this. Oh, copy and paste this over here. Minus 8x divided by minus 2 is a positive 4x. You know what's next? It looks like this, and then finally something like this. 3 down. So this needs to become 19. Am I doing this quick enough? I don't know. 56 and 50, let's see. Started like this, and then like this, and then like this. Let's combine this. And you knew this was coming. That's all is 35. Take that 11 and subtract it from 35. You should get this number over here. So now you know. Now if you made a mistake, you can actually fix it, right? So this should be correct. The larger number is negative. You know the next step. You know. Almost there, man, almost there. All right, so let's put that together, yeah? We're going to put a 5. You know how we got the 7x minus 3, right? Do this, divided by that, this divided by that, put that over here. Minus 24x divided by minus 3 gives you a plus 8x. Yeah. So, let's see what's next. So first we'll have this, followed by this, and finally, to the grand finale. Moving on to 20. And now for the grand finale, we're at number 20, right? So, what we're gonna do? We have a 36 and we have a 15. Let's draw the circles there and there, yeah? All right. So now, we have this for 36. We have this for 15, right? 2 by 2 by 3 by 3 for the 36 and 15, bam, right? Remember, this is BLITZ, so I'm not taking too much time. So, let's put them together. All right, now that that's together, right? Yeah, we put everything, 36 times 15 is all of this number. So, why not do this? Let's see what that gives us. All right, so now we have 3 by 3 by 3, which is 27. Let's see what the other number is. I forgot to mention, subtract the 7 from that 27, and it will leave you with. Right, so we have a 27 and a 20. 27 minus 20 leaves us with either a plus or a minus 7. It just depends. So, the larger number has to be negative, right? So, we'll do that. Now remember, screenshot that. Yeah? Screenshot this. Cool? Yeah. Alright, so now, set up like this. We are going to drop the brackets, yeah? Now the HCF of 20 and 15 is going to be 5. That's pretty easy, right? Divide 20x by plus 5 for a positive 4x. And of course, divide minus 15 by the plus 5 to get a minus 3. Now we're going to copy that over here. Alright, so now we're going to divide what? Minus 27x by the minus 3. The minus is cancelled. 27x over 3 is going to give you. Alright, so now that we're here, we're going to just drop the brackets now, right? So now, it's going to go from this to this, and then finally like this. Finally, we are at number 20. We did the first 20 of the AC method using prime numbers to factorize the question. Yeah, it was a run. It was a good speed run. At least I don't know how fast I got that done. Honestly, I don't know. Anyhow, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. And as I always tell you, honor your commitments. Press this button here and honor your commitments. I might be over here too.